Okay, this is learning target 1.4, the composition of mixtures. This is one of the shortest learning targets, so we'll be done with it in about 2 minutes. So this is all about mixtures, and it's that chemical formulas identify substances by their unique combination of atoms. So we talked about this a little bit in 1.3 when we were talking about empirical versus molecular formulas. For this one, it says, while pure substances contain molecules or formula units of a single type. So remember, molecules are covalent. So we'll have two nonmetals. And then formula units are going to be some sort of ionic compound with a metal and a nonmetal, whose relative proportions can vary. So this one is saying that the proportions of these can vary, which will change different types of mixtures. So you can have chocolate chip cookies, and you can have one part of the cookie that has a lot of chocolate, and then the other part that's mostly just cookie. So the proportions can vary. Then there's heterogeneous versus homogeneous. The proportions can vary there too. Homogeneous, they don't vary. Heterogeneous, they do. Elemental analysis can be used to determine the relative numbers of atoms in a substance and to determine its purity. So think percent by mass, but instead of comparing mass of one atom to the compound, you compare the mass of one of the species to the mixture. So this is similar to the mole fraction stuff that we did before, except you would do it from the one species that you're trying to analyze to the entire mixture, just like we did the methanol to the solution. Solutions are mixtures. They're homogeneous mixtures because it looks like one thing, and the composition is pretty consistent in the mixture. And that's it. So have fun on the homework.